Hi you guys, I've got some changes to show you in my salon space. So I got a new chair. There's three things that I absolutely love about this chair. 1, it reclines. 2, the headrest is removable. 3, it's very comfortable. As usual, I will post a link in the description where I found this chair. And now I'm going to move on to our next salon upgrade. Okay, so as you can see, I have unboxed a new sink, and I got this from Etsy, and it is a 110 volt backwash shampoo bowl, and it's portable. And all you have to do is fill up the water buckets inside and empty them accordingly. And I'll show you exactly how I did that. So it has its own plumbing, and I have clean water here, wastewater here. I'm going to show you how I set up for a wash. Okay, I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to fill this up. This is the spray-on hose that I got from Locs, and I'm just going to unscrew this part. This did not come with the shampoo tray, or with the shampoo bowl, but I bought this before when I was doing my washes. It has an attachment here that screws on. The whole setup is like $30 for this. So what I'm going to do is hang it down into here, just so I can walk away if I need to, or anything like that. So the water is going to be suctioned through here, come up here, This sink really surprised me. It works very well, and it has hot and cold settings on it. Okay, now all that's left for me to do is empty out the wastewater. And really, this thing, I don't even unscrew it usually, because if I just pull it like that, it's ready to be taken out. So I'm going to empty this. These are 6-gallon jugs. As you can see right here, 6 gallons. I just pour this in the empty part of my sink? Alright, you guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this this review video. Nobody paid me to do this. I bought this sink by watching another lady, and I will tag her in the description because I don't remember her name, but I will give her a tag because she had a pretty in-depth review on this already, and it really helped me out. So thank you. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. I will be posting some more stuff for you all soon. All right.